And here you guys can see up close, better detail. It is really nice. Hi friends, today we are reviewing Yaheetech Christmas tree. Sorry guys, we gotta have a little fun, right? Let's go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what you get. Okay guys, so this is the tree. I do want to point out that we didn't put it in place yet, so let me show you what I mean. You guys can move the branches and line it up perfectly so there's no gaps, so you can adjust it. I didn't do that yet because it's not technically Christmas season for us, so we're not putting it up quite yet, but we just want to open it up, show you guys what it looks like. I think it's really cool. I think it looks like it actually has snow. Now it will make a little bit of a mess opening it up, so to keep that in mind. But I think it's 100% worth it. I think it's really cool. I love it. It really looks like snow. Now you have your on off right on here, and you can adjust to change the colors. You have different effects. So there's a lot of different combos you guys can choose with this tree, and of course off. In person, it's definitely even much nicer. And the nice thing is the LEDs, they're not blinding. So they're bright enough, but they're not blinding. Really, really nice. And here you guys can see up close, better detail. It is really nice.